The EP500 rod welder is one of PWM's best-selling machines and is exceptionally simple to operate and maintain. The machine is very energy efficient. The air supply can be provided from either a central system or a dedicated compressor, but must be connected using a reinforced hose with a minimum internal diameter of 12 mm and no quick connectors to ensure an adequate airflow. The hose should be attached to the inlet without any fittings that impede the flow of air. A concertina-type air hose should not be used. A single-phase electrical supply is required only for the control system, which is used to set the weld parameters, with instructions in 9 languages. The rod is fed into either side of the machine, and the gates activated to firmly clamp the material. When the machine is activated, the material is gripped by the dies and fed forward. As the two ends are pushed against each other, the surface impurities are squeezed outward from the core of the material, forming the flash or burr. This is repeated 5 or 6 times, depending on the size and type of the material. Once the weld sequence is completed, the machine makes 1 or more additional movements to remove the weld flash, after which the dies and clamps fully open to release the welded rod. Following minimal cleaning, the wire is ready for processing. The weld created is reliable, permanent, and stronger than the parent material. The machine has no heavy sliding loads or fast-moving parts, and requires minimum lubrication. Just 2 grease points need lubricating 2 or 3 times a month, depending on the duty. For reliable service, maintenance is usually only required about every 3 or 4 years.